keeping it really simple today. Got some beef back ribs that I butchered out from a ribeye loin, and we're going to put them on the Hasty Bake Roughneck. I'm burning Papa's lump charcoal today. Fire basket's about 3/4 of the way full and running 250 degrees with the diverter plate in, and let's put the ribs on. Ribs going on. Just that simple. This rack of ribs were seasoned with Meat Church Blanco and DB 180 Perfect Barbecue. Had about 30 minutes of exposure to the rubs, and we're cooking. So using pecan wood chunks for smoke flavor, and really not going to worry about the temperature of the pit. Going to close it up and go about my business. So the principle I'd like to talk about today is cook for color, wrap for tenderness, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm not worried about an internal temperature on the ribs. I'm going to cook them till I get the color I want, the look I want, and then I'm going to wrap them in foil with beef broth and help break them down. And then at the very end, we're going to take them out, glaze them with DB 180 spicy barbecue rub, and put them back on, set the sauce. So cook for color, wrap for tenderness. I'm not worried about temperature of the ribs or the pit per se. I'm just going to let it run and I'll check back. All right, let's take a look. Still rocking 250 or so. I'm getting a little pullback here from the bones, which is great. Pretty happy with that color. So we're going to take them in and wrap them. We'll show you what that's all about, and then we'll come back out. I'm going to be wrapping the ribs with some Butcher's barbecue mud brisket mop, along with some beef broth and DB 180. We're going to wrap them up in foil, seal them up tight, and put them back on till they're probe tender. 270, just flatlining all day long. So we're going to unwrap the ribs. I'm going to do this one-handed, hopefully. Without making too big of a mess. It's hot. Oh yeah, so these are going to be well tender eaten ribs. I'm going to have to set my phone down to lift it out with tongs, and then we'll sauce it up. Time to slather it up. Nothing fancy, just good eating ribs. Well, the cooking's been done. Remember, we cooked for color and then wrapped for tenderness. We sauced it, and really that's it. We just let the roughneck, the Hasty Bake Roughneck, run at 250, 270, and really hands-off cook. So the only thing left to do now is to do the needful. So here we go. It's really good. Nice clean smoke flavor on the beef. A little bit of a smoke ring. DB 180 rubs. Money again. Hey, hope you learned something. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing to the Part-Time Barbecue YouTube channel. Like the video, share it, leave a comment. It's all good.